So, Pakistan and terrorism under fire in multiple global capitals across the world by these different parliamentary delegations, all-party delegations. And DD India's Dibyendu Mondal is joining us live from one such spot in Athens in Greece. Good evening to you from Delhi, Dibyendu. Now, are the 7 delegations which have fanned out worldwide ensuring that after being defeated in battle on the ground, Pakistan is being decimated with India's diplomacy, especially when it comes to next month's FATF meet?
Well, Gautam, absolutely. You know, these all-party delegations have been spread across different parts of the world. And I'm accompanying one such delegation here in Europe at the moment. The delegation is led by DMK MP Kanimoy. She just concluded her day-long meetings along with all the other delegates that she's leading in this particular part of the world. And of course, I'm joined now by Mr. Manjeev Singh Puri, who is also part of the delegation. Sir, how has the talks been today? You had a series of meetings with different stakeholders. So how has the meeting been so far in Greece?
Dibyendu, thank you very much. The meetings in Greece have been very good and very positive. Let me start by just telling you that in the very first meeting with parliamentarians, there was absolute agreement that all civilizational nations must be against the whole idea of terrorism, that terrorists must be brought to justice. Absolutely crystal clear. They were also with us, that they had to be with us in mounting whatever international pressure at the level of the EU, the UN Security Council, etc., to bring those who are perpetrators of terrorism and those who foment terrorism and nurture it, to bring them to justice. Very good, excellent. We also thereafter met the Deputy Foreign Minister of Greece, and again an excellent meeting. Thereafter we met think tanks as well as a leading newspaper editorial board. Very interestingly, many in Greece also spoke about the potential of tremendous amount of India-Greece cooperation stemming from the IMEC project. And this was particularly interesting. They were also very clear that Greece is a country which knows about terrorism and which is very clear that terrorism can have no place in the civilized world. And along with it, when we look at the ideas of India, Greece, old civilizational links, as well as the fact that there is great, tremendous potential in cooperation, I must say this was a very productive day for us. And now the delegation is meeting with members of the Indian community and bringing today's day to an end.
Well, of course, as Mr. Manjeev just said that, it has been a productive meeting in Greece. They had already done 2 legs in this particular, this particular delegation has already done 2 legs, one in Moscow, one in Slovenia, now Greece. And then tomorrow this delegation will be moving to Latvia and then to Spain. So, of course, as you said, Gautam, this is a war that has now been unleashed by India on Pakistan against their terror camps, their terror hideouts, their proxy wars. And of course, they are being hit hard by all these very important nations where our parliamentarians are bringing in the word of India to the world. Gautam.
Yes, fitting that Pakistan is being beaten also in the birthplace of not only democracy but also of modern Olympics. So fair and square, India beating Pakistan on all fronts. Thanks a lot for joining us, and thank you to Ambassador Puri as well for joining us from Athens, Greece.